20W Surface Mount Vehicle Charger Series. Multiple interfaces with free configuration. All components utilize flame-retardant materials. Standard blue LED, other colors customizable. Multi-device simultaneous power supply, equipped with overload, overheat, short circuit, and reverse connection protection. YM1236, YM1288, YM1288cc, M1288PD. Screw-mounted, no-drill installation, equipped with concealed screw covers for enhanced aesthetics. Versatile installation for multiple scenarios. Widely used in vehicles, equipment, marine applications, and various other fields. 20W also provides lighting and power solutions.